Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Sky voice control not working, pair reset remote and mic settings. Fix 1. Hard reset the remote. Press and hold the button 7 and 9 simultaneously until the LED light flashes 4 times. Remove both batteries from the device. Press any button for 10 seconds to drain any remaining power. Reinsert the batteries into the device. Ensure the battery cover is securely fastened. Fix 2. Repair the remote. SkyQ. Point the remote at the SkyQ box. Hold down the 1 and 3 button together until the LED flashes. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the pairing process. Sky Glass or Sky Stream. Press and hold the TV guide and select the button for 15 seconds. Wait for the LED to flash amber then green. Navigate to Setting, select Remote and Accessories, choose Add Remote. Fix 3. Check microphone settings. Ensure the microphone hole under the Sky logo on the remote is clean and no obstruct. Press and hold the voice button while speaking clearly at the normal volume. Release the voice button when finished. For Sky Glass and Stream, go to the setting, voice control and select reset voice settings to the factory setting recognized. Fix 4. Reboot your Sky device. Turn off your Skybox or the TV at the main and unplug. Wait for the 30 to 60 seconds before plugging it back in. Turn the device on and wait approximately 3 to 5 minutes for system to boot up. Test your voice control again for boot up process. Thanks for watching.